Why it is not working? What happened? What is not working? This game, mummy. Okay then, come with me. Okay, mummy. Mummy, why you called me here? Can this fix my game's problem? No, dear, it can't do that, but it will surely help you in one thing. Then tell me fast, what is that? Your exams are coming soon. I have seen your portion. Your ma'am said that you are not very good at popular services on the internet. So last time I have already told you www e-commerce and chatting. That is very well going on. But for video conferencing, social networking sites and e-banking, I want to teach you. Okay, mummy, thank you. Welcome. First, let me teach you video conferencing. It involves the use of video cameras connected to two or more computers. Images and sounds are then sent through the internet where users not only hear each other but also have a face to face conversation. This technology is mainly used for virtual meetings among a group of people to discuss political, business, medical, or social affairs. We can see the example of video conferencing on news channels. Now, let us learn about social networking sites. Social networking is a grouping of individuals into specific groups. For example, share ideas, activities, events, interests, photos, messages, and videos. The social networking websites function like an online community of internet users. In social networking websites, every user has a profile which contains information about them. A user can also invite other people to join these websites. No, no matter what their hobbies, beliefs, or interests are. Some of the popular social networking sites are Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Now, I will tell you about e-banking. Electronic banking is the way of performing bank transactions using internet. Using e-banking, one can check the amount, make fixed deposit, transfer the money, apply for loans, etc. These transactions can be done from any part of the world if you have an internet connection on your computer. To perform e-banking, follow the steps. Open the websites of the bank in which you have an account. Enter username and password. Do the required transaction.